Hello, boys and girls. This is our parts of 3D shapes or our solid shapes anchor chart. So I just wanted to review all the names of the attributes of the shapes because I know you did this last week with Senora Castaño in Spanish, but this week you're going to need to know the English for all the names. So let's look at the bottom here at our square and review a 2D shape first. So last week we learned that a square has 4 sides, so help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we called where all the lines are, we called those the sides. And then in the corners where they met, those were the vertices. It had 4 vertices, help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And then this shape here, what is this called? I hope you said cube, or in Spanish, cubo. Good, so let's take a look. Just like in our square, in our flat shape, the little spots where the lines meet is still called a vertice. So if we have one, it's a vertex, but when we have a lot of them, it's our vertices. So those are the spots in the corners, and on a solid shape, it's where 3 faces meet. So we've got this face here, 1, 2, and then the one on the back that we can't see makes 3. Something that's different, even though it looks the same in a 3D shape, is this line here. We called it a side, but now we are calling it an edge. Because an edge is where 2 faces meet. So like on this edge here, you can see 1 face, 2 face. So our lines are now called an edge. And then our big flat surface of a solid, this we call the face. Okay, my friends, so those are all the parts of a 3D shape that we're going to be referencing this week when we do our new shape. So making sure you practice saying it. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Vertex or vertices, edge, and face. Good job, my friends. I'll see you later.